Hi, I am Priyanka and welcome to the Science Nest. In this video, we will be covering about the Nobel Prize winners in medicine from the last 10 years and their contributions. Perfect for a quick revision and for your competitive exam preparation, right? So let's dive in. So, the Nobel Prize winners in physiology or medicine from 2016 to 2025 are: Number 1. In 2016, Yoshinori Oshumi discovered autophagy. He uncovered the fundamental molecular mechanisms of autophagy, a highly conserved cellular process by which cells degrade and recycle their own damaged or unnecessary components. Using yeast as a model organism, he identified key genes, the ATG genes, responsible for forming autophagosomes, double membrane vesicles that engulf cellular debris and deliver it to lysozymes for degradation. Autophagy is essential for cellular homeostasis, response to nutrient starvation, removal of damaged organelles, and misfolded proteins. What is the clinical relevance then? Defects in autophagy are linked to cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, infections, and aging. Oshumi's work laid the foundation for therapeutic strategies targeting autophagy in human diseases. Number 2, in 2017, Jeffrey C. Hall, Michael Rauschenbach, and Michael W. Young uncovered the molecular mechanisms of circadian rhythm. These scientists discovered how internal biological clocks regulate daily physiological cycles. They identified key genes such as period, par, timeless, TIM, and clock, CLK, that generate circadian rhythms through a transcription translation feedback loop. Their work showed that clock genes produce proteins that accumulate during the day. These proteins suppress their own gene expression at night. The cycle resets approximately every 24 hours, and these circadian rhythm disruptions are associated with sleep disorders, metabolic diseases, depression, cancer risk in shift workers. Number 3, in 2018, James P. Allison and Tasuku Honjo discovered cancer immunotherapy via immune checkpoint inhibition. Allison and Honjo revolutionized cancer treatment by discovering immune checkpoints CTLA4, Allison discovered, and PD1 discovered by Honjo. These molecules normally act as brakes on T cells to prevent autoimmunity. Cancer cells exploit these checkpoints to escape immune attack. Blocking these checkpoints reactivates T cells, allows the immune system to recognize and destroy tumors. This work led to the immune checkpoint inhibitors now widely used to treat melanoma, lung cancer, head and neck cancers, including OSCC, and many others. Number 4, in 2019, William G. Kelley, Sir Peter J. Ratcliffe, and Greg L. Semenza discovered cellular oxygen sensing mechanisms. These researchers explained how cells sense and adapt to varying oxygen levels through the HIF, that is hypoxia inducible factor. Under low oxygen, HIF proteins activate genes that help cells survive hypoxia. Under normal oxygen, HIF is degraded via oxygen-dependent enzymes. This mechanism is crucial in tumor growth and angiogenesis, anemia, ischemic diseases, and targeting hypoxia pathways is a major focus in cancer therapy. Number 5, in 2020, Harvey J. Alter, Michael Hutton, and Charles M. Rice discovered the hepatitis C virus. These scientists identified hepatitis C virus previously responsible for unexplained post-transfusion hepatitis. They isolated the viral genome, proved it causes chronic liver disease, enabled diagnostic screening of blood supplies. Their discovery led to antiviral drugs with more than 95% cure rates, prevention of liver cirrhosis and hepatocellular carcinoma, one of the first viral infections to be potentially eliminated globally. Number 6, in 2021, David Julius and Adam Batapotin discovered receptors for temperature and touch. These scientists identified ion channels that allow sensory neurons to detect heat, TRPV1 capsaicin receptor, cold, TRPM8, and mechanical force 5Z01 or 2. These receptors convert physical stimuli into electrical nerve signals. Their discovery explains pain sensation, touch perception, and mechanisms behind chronic pain disorders. This knowledge is crucial for developing non-opioid pain therapies. Number 7, in 2022, Vante Pabo discovered paleogenomics and human evolution. He developed techniques to extract and sequence ancient DNA, overcoming degradation and contamination challenges. He successfully sequenced Neanderthal genome, Denisovan genome. His work showed that modern humans interbred with extinct hominins. Ancient genes still influence immunity and disease susceptibility. This research links evolutionary genetics to immune responses, viral susceptibility, and human adaptation to environments. Number 8, in 2023, Katalin Carrico and Drew Weissman discovered mRNA vaccine technology. Carrico and Weissman discovered how chemical modification of mRNA prevents immune rejection and enhances protein production. This solved a key barrier preventing therapeutic use of mRNA. Their work enabled COVID-19 mRNA vaccines, rapid vaccine development, and future applications in cancer vaccines and gene therapy. This discovery transformed global pandemic response. Number 9, in 2024, Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun discovered microRNAs. MicroRNAs are small non-coding RNAs that regulate gene expression post-transcriptionally by binding to target mRNAs. MicroRNAs fine-tune gene expression. One microRNA can regulate hundreds of genes. MicroRNAs are conserved across species. They play crucial roles in cancer progression, diagnosis, and prognosis, especially in liquid biopsy techniques and in therapeutic targeting. Finally, in 2025, Mary E. Branco, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi discovered regulatory T cells and immune tolerance. These scientists discovered regulatory T cells, Tregs, and the transcription factor FOXP3, which are essential for maintaining immune tolerance. T regulatory cells suppress excessive immune responses, prevent autoimmunity, and maintain immune balance. Dysregulation of T regulatory cells is linked to autoimmune diseases, cancer immune evasion, transplant rejection. Targeting T regulatory cells is a major strategy in cancer immunotherapy. Overall, this is the summary of each Nobel winning discovery, and remember, it all began as basic biological research, led to major clinical applications, and continues to shape modern diagnostics, therapeutics, and precision medicine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and informative content. Thank you. You can also follow us on Facebook.